And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Mapua against San Sebastian. Orange Silvole. Season 4 by Basketballista.
Tulio this week. Sirip after the day waiting. Sirip they will play Sunday.
First position of Mapua, Camus, jump ball, it's San Sebastian ball, San Sebastian.
Yung ball na apat.
Too strong. Rebound on Mapua. Camus. Camus to Kaku. Kaku, yes on Kaku. 2-0. It's 2-point lead on Mapua. Nice pass. Big drive. Goes. Basket counter one. On number 23. On Mesa. All on 0. On Matibag. First on Matibag. 3-2. 1 point lead now on San Sebastian. Camus. Steal by Lusada.
Solomon.
Now Solomon. Steal again. On Mapua. Camus. Kaku. Lusada now. All alone. 1-1. Basket count. Yes now. 5-2. It's 2-point lead on San Sebastian.
Fabiano.
Camus outside. Strong. Nice defense on San Sebastian. Now Solomon. It's a ball. 8 minutes. 14 to shoot. It's rubbing violation. Now Kaku. Camus. Drive. Steal again on San Sebastian. Oh, Jaime. It's 7-2. It's 5-point lead now on San Sebastian. Strong move, foul. Foul on number 31 on San Sebastian. First on San Sebastian. First foul on Nigel. Camus. 14 to shoot. In and out again. Rebound on Kaku. Kaku. Now Camus. It's same ball. 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Wala nga.
05?
Kaku. 5. Portis sa sangak. Now Kaku. Yes on Kaku. Now 7-4. It's 3-point lead on San Sebastian. Air ball by Silmon. Black, top. Ibano on Lusada. Jaime. Whoa! Jaime, now 9 against 4. It's 5-point lead on San Sebastian. Pagbiana. Pass outside. Looking for no. Still by Jaime. It's 12 to shoot. 5 minutes and 46 seconds.
Number 5, Archangel.
Now Archangel. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Camus. It's 2-point lead now on San Sebastian. 7 against 5. Now Solomon. Air ball, rebound on Kaku. Fabiana. Fabiana, but nice defense. Oh! It's San Sebastian ball. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Jaime. Lusada. Nigel. It's Stormer again on San Sebastian. Now Camus. Camus open jump again. Too strong short. Papiana. Left handed Papiana goes to coast. Nice pass. Too strong. Kaku now. Kaku rebound. Now Kaku pass to Archangel. 10 to shoot. Archangel too strong short. Rebound on San Sebastian. 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Nico.
Bang! Now 11-7. It's 4-point lead back to San Sebastian. 4 minutes. Archangel. Yes, on Archangel. Now 9 to 11. It's 2-point lead back to San Sebastian.
Nico.
Now Miko. Lusada. Too strong again. Jaime. 10 to shoot. Rebound again San Sebastian. Short. Lusada. Now Papiana. It's 4 on 2. 3 on 2. Camus intercept again. On Nico. Lusada. Jaime. Nice. Still on Archangel. Now Archangel. To Kaku. Kaku 1-1. Kaku drive. Left-handed drive. Kaku now 11 all. It's 3 minutes. It's San Sebastian versus Mapua. It's 3 minutes. Now Lusada.
Bay, Kaku, baba lang daw. Bay, para may rebound.
In and out. Top. Rebound again by Lusada. Looking for Villanueva. Short. Lusada again. 10 to shoot. Villanueva.
Baba lang, rebound.
Lusada. Short again by Lusada. It's 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Fabiana. Looking for Camus. Now 13-11. 2-point lead. Mapua. Lusada. Short.
Bigay. Easy, lamang ha.
Now Fabiana. Fabiana drive. Fabiana escape. Foul.
Number 9.
Foul on number 9. Time out. On San Sebastian. Our first time out for the game. Brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Delta Basketball League.
Villanueva first person.
First personal foul on Villanueva. And we'd like to thank our two referees for tonight. It's referee Mike and referee Manuel. 2 shots for Pagbiana. Back to the ball game. Two minutes and 30. It's 13 against 11. 14-11 is 3-point lead on Mapua.
Huwag masyadong umangat.
14 to shoot. Still on Camos. Now Camos, coast to coast. Camos, yo mo, Kako, rebound, Kako. Looking for his teammate, Pabiana. 10 to shoot. Pabiana, too strong. Kako again. Bang! Basket count on 1 on Kako. Second team foul on San Sebastian.
Second personal foul, Villanueva.
Second personal foul on Villanueva. 17 to 11. 6-point lead on Mapua. He's still again on Kamatibag. Kako, 2-on-1. Kako drive, Kako, yes! On Kako. It's 19 to 11, 8-point lead on Mapua. Villanueva. To Jaime. Too strong for Jaime. Top by Lusada. Now Archangel, Camos, 2-on-2, Camos, Yoyo, too strong. Rebound again ng San Sebastian, 1 minute. Jaime. Jaime goes, Jaime move, yes on Jaime. 13 to 19. 6-point lead on Mapua. 50 seconds. Short. Rebound ng San Sebastian. Villanueva. Nico. Jaime again. Back-to-back shot coming from Jaime. 19 to 15, 30 seconds. Kaku. Still again by San Sebastian. Now Kaku, 14 to shoot. Nice pass. Kaku top. Pabiana. 10.
Kako.
Too strong. Matibag. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! 5 seconds! Still again! And for first quarter, our score is 22 against the 15. 7-point lead on Mapua. Like to thank our sponsors. Scholar Sports, Basketballista, and Delta Basketball League. Second quarter.
14 Mendoza, dalawang 14.
May jump ball tayo, may jump ball. It's Mapua ball, Mapua.
Cruz.
Now Cruz in the ball game. Cruz.
Catriana.
Malajos.
Rachman.
Rachman. Top, may libres. Nice move, may libres. Again too strong, Rachman. It's 10 to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot. Now he's still on San Sebastian. Mendoza to Cruz. Stop. It's Rosman. Baseball bat. Tao, Malajos. All alone, Malajos. 24 against 15. Yo-Yo Man to Mendoza. Mendoza there, Mendoza. 17 to 24, 7 point lead on Mapua. 9 minutes. Now Malajos, the captain. Malajos looking for right one top. Now Mendoza. Baseball pass to Cruz. Cruz. Oh! Turnover again on San Sebastian. It's 8 minutes and 45 seconds.
Ang pipino siya.
Ito yung number 14 na ito. Bilyada?
Wala ka number 21.
Wala.
14 to shoot. Ah! Defense on San Sebastian. Cruz on the roll. Block. Behind by Malajos. Now Malajos. It's 4 and 3. Nice defense on Yo-Yo Man. Ah, save ball. Nice defense on the Yo-Yo Man. 8 minutes. Now Malajos. 10 to shoot. Short. It's San Sebastian ball. San Sebastian.
Team sa loob.
Liana.
Ha?
Liana.
Now Cruz. Patulan niya. Alcala. Ah, still on Libres. Now Minorias.
Ayun sino?
Libres. Short. Wow, it's technical foul. Oh, number 1.
Batsman. Najel.
Oh, Najel.
Hindi nga Nadjel. May Nadjel.
Najel number 1.
First on Najel. 7 minutes. Technical breakthrough against Malajos. It's 24 against 17. 7 point lead on Mapua. Rosman. Drive. Rosman intercept by Najel. Rosman again. 5 to shoot.
Milyada.
Steal by San Sebastian. Alcala. Baseball pass to Mendoza. Now Malajos. Steal again on Alcala. It's 2-on-1. Alcala. Drive. Alcala mo. Pass to Mendoza. 1-0. Coming from Alcala. 19 against the 24. It's 5 point lead on Mapua. Steal again on it's skill ball. Save ball.
Liana.
Tama?
Time out on Mapua.
Score.
19.
Aba?
24.
This time out is brought to you by Juxtago, Magnolia Sariwanok,
6-17.
and Nor Cubes. 24 against 19. It's 5 point lead. Mapua. Now Cruz. Nadal. Short. Rebound on the captain. Malajos now Malajos. Malajos got by Cruz. Malajos short up. Rebound on Alcala. Alcala to Mendoza. Mendoza drive. Mendoza foul. Basket count and 1 on Mendoza. Foul on number 15 on Mapua.
Pag yato, paula lang. Ayaw pa.
First on Cartagena. 24 against 21. Rebound on Mapua. Now Rosman. Drive, goal to goal. Rosman! 26 against 21. Now Alcala drive, looking for Mendoza again. Foul! Foul on number 1 on Rosman. Second team foul on Mapua. First against Rosman.
Nandiyan naman na yung
22 against to 26.
Usa, oh.
Now, 23 to 26 is 3-point lead on Mapua. Now, Rosman. Guarded by Mendoza. 14 to shoot.
Aywa.
Libres. Too strong. Now, Nigel. Alcala, zigzag pass to Cruz. 25 to 26, now 1-point lead on Mapua. 5 minutes. Majos, ba?
Alcala.
Foul on Siroit on Alcala. Second team foul on San Sebastian. First on Alcala. Cartagena. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Cartagena. Now Alcala again. Alcala. 27-29. Back to 2-point lead on Mapua. Malajos. Guarded by Mendoza. Now Libres. Cartagena take. It's rolling violation on Cartagena. Turnover against Mapua. Now Cruz. Najen. Air ball. Now rebound on San Sebastian. Malajos. Now setting a play. Baseball bat. Rosman. One ball by Najen. Rosman. Short up. To Mendoza. Mendoza. Left-handed drive. Pow. Foul on Malajos. First on the captain. Third on Mapua. It's only 2-point lead on Mapua. It's 29 against 27. Now 28 to 29, 1-point lead on Mapua. Rebound on Libres. Now Malajos. Carmen Cruz. Malajos. Looking for Cartagena. Back to Malajos. Malajos. It's time to shoot. Bang! On Rosman. 31 to 28. Cruz. Air ball. Rebound on Malajos. Intercepted again by Alcala. Alcala. Time to shoot. Now, Algate pass on Alcala. It's 30 to 1. 1-point lead on Mapua. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Cartagena. Rosman. 14 to shoot. Malajos. Short. It's same ball. 14 shot clock. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. It's double the ball. 31 to 30. Now pass outside Mendoza. Mendoza block. It's same ball. 17 to shoot. 2 minutes. Alcala. Block by Libres. Alcala again. Wow! Alcala! Now 32 to 31, 1-point lead San Sebastian. Now Cruz. Short, Malajos. It's 1 minute and 40. Rosman. Hey, up. Foul on number 14. On San Sebastian. Third on San Sebastian. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Mendoza first.
Iba.
Luciano.
Foul! Now warning for penalty on San Sebastian. Second personal foul on number 14.
Luciano.
On Iliano. Two free throw shot again by Rushman. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Now 30 to all. It's our first deadlock of the game. Now Alcala. Alcala looking for Mendoza. Bang! On Mendoza. 34 to 32. Cartagena. Libres. 55 seconds. Too strong. Libres again. Oh, rebound by Libres. Maladios. Stand to shoot.
Boom.
Too strong. Libres. Rebound again. Libres. 34 all. 40 seconds. Cartagena. Short. Rebound on Mapua. 30 seconds. Libres. Cartagena. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Cartagena. 15 seconds. Alcala. Too strong. Cartagena. 10 seconds. Foul. Foul on. Penalty rep. Alcala. Second personal foul against Alcala. 8 seconds.
Ha? Third.
Kapitan mo. Ako pa na. Paul na sila yung third.
Sino bang ko nila?
Si...
Richard.
Third.
Mapwa. Mapwa. Maladios.
38, 34. 8 seconds. 39 to 34. Mendoza. Short. Top. It's 2 seconds. And now for second quarter score. It's Mapua 39. San Sebastian 34.
Boss lang kayo. Mas sa akin, Saudi. Ngayong linggo.
Mamaya naman daw. Mamaya daw. Sino?
Kaya ito mo kulit kamaya.
Third quarter ready, third quarter.
Kumagano pa.
Oo, mahiya-hiya lang din yan na yung nagsabi na mamaya.
San Sebastian.
San Sebastian.
Ako mo dito sa
Hindi ko
Hindi ko lang. Hindi ko lang patoldo.
Miko. Too strong. Rebound on Mapua. Drive, go, too strong again. Tap. You get it out. Rebound on San Sebastian.
O, di binigay ko yung 1 billion access.
100 nga nilista ko.
Yung sabihin ko, baka sabihin ko 200.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, number 25. 39 to 37.
Misa, Maisan.
Tapi sambil kapitan pagka susunod na pa.
Alarcon! Too strong! Rebound again on Mapua. Black! Foul! On Lusada. First team foul on San Sebastian. 2 free throw shot for Alarcon. Now 40 against 237, back to 3-point lead on Mapua. Misa. Hey. Back to Lusada. Guarded by Alarcon. Lusada, 1-1 by Alarcon. It's a ball. 12 to shoot.
400 na lang daw.
Wala nang binigay 100 lang.
100.
Now, turnover again on Mapua.
Ang inisip mo lang, isip mo para confirm sa
Ate,
kanila.
nandito sila sa pangalaman.
Confirm mo nga, guys, kung hindi sinabi ka kung gano'n isip mo.
Susunod daw si Alcala magbigay ng 200.
Villanueva. Jaime. Nice rebound again on Mapua. 40 to 37, 3-point in Mapua. Alarcon mo. Bang! The Big Daddy Alarcon. Basket count on 1 on the Big Daddy Alarcon. Second team foul on San Sebastian. Short. It's same ball, 42 against the 37. Nice pass. Black. It's San Sebastian ball. 7 minutes and 39 seconds. Miko. Lusada. Bang! Same spot. Now 39-42, back to 4-point lead. 3-point lead on Mapua. Short. Basket down on 1. Foul on Jaime. Third team foul on San Sebastian. First personal foul on Jaime. 44-39.
Isa.
Saan mo siya?
Bye.
Okay.
Maisan.
Michelle.
Misa.
Nice move. Foul. Foul on 09 ng Mapua. First on Mapua. 44 to 39. Baringo Sara. Jaime. Carried by Big Daddy. Jaime to the top. Rebound on Big Daddy. Now Big Daddy now. 6 minutes and 15. Sarmento. It's turnover again by Mapua. 6 minutes. Too strong. Sarmento. Now Sarmento goes to go. Stop up defense on Villanueva. Villanueva na. Stop Villanueva. Short rebound on top of Big Daddy. Now it's 3-1. Now Lusada there. Lusada. It's one of time. Intercepted again by Big Daddy. Nice defense of Big Daddy. 3-on-2. 4-on-2. Yes, now 46 to 39. It's 7-point lead on Mapua. 5 minutes. Jaime, pay, drive, Short. Big Daddy again. Rebound. It's 3-2. Packing violation. Time out. On San Sebastian, it's 46 against 39. 4 minutes and 58 seconds, third quarter. First game of our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista.
Saan pala ng mapwa?
We'd like to thank our sponsors, Color Sports, Basketballista, and UFPL. 7-point lead on Mapua, 46 against to 39. Inbounding Lusada to Cruz. Alcala, tapagan by Alarcon. Cruz. Short. Rebound on Mapua. It's 2-1. Too strong. Sarmiento. Sarmiento again. It's troubling violation on Sarmiento. It's 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Third quarter. First game, it's Mapua. Cruz. Against San Sebastian. Lusada. Air ball. It's Mapua ball. Mapua. Four minutes.
Pure ball.
Too strong. Tap. Mapua again. Short. Tap again by Mapua.
Easy.
Nice pass. Alcala. Alcala now. It's 3-2. Alcala. Move. Bang. Alcala. 41 to 46. 5-point lead Mapua. Big Daddy.
Nice.
Too strong by Big Daddy. Now Alcala. Alcala now. Alcala drive. Alcala goes to goal. Alcala same spot. Nice ball. Bang! What a guys. Time out. On Mapua. Now 43-46. 3-point lead now on Mapua. And this timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Jomong and Company, and Basketballista. Back to the game, 46 against the 43. It's only 3-point lead on Mapua. Now Big Daddy. Minorias. Sarmiento. Whoa! It's miscommunication of Big Daddy and Sarmiento. 3 minutes. Only 3-point lead, Mapua. Now Alcala move. Alcala drive. Alcala bound.
25.
Out on number 25 on Mapua. First on Minorias. Second team foul on Mapua. Cruz, side step, back, short, Sarmiento. Now Big Daddy.
Let's let me go.
2 minutes and 25 seconds. Sarmiento paid, steal. Big Daddy again, Big Daddy. Big Daddy to Sarmiento. Sarmiento take the shoot. Nice pass. Foul on number 1. On San Sebastian. Warning on San Sebastian.
Pangalan.
Second personal foul on Nigel.
Baba na isa dong.
And Najen.
Diyan ka lang. Baba to.
Short. Big Daddy again. Big Daddy. Big Daddy win one. Big Daddy bang. Oh, Big Daddy. It's 48-43. Mendoza. Alcala. Cruz. Too strong again by Cruz. Rebound by Lozada. Held by Bigari. Too strong. Rebound on Mapua. 48 to 43. 5 point lead on Mapua. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Too strong again by Mapua. Now Mendoza. It's 2-2. Mendoza guarded Big Daddy. Mendoza drive. Too strong top. Now Lozada. Big Daddy now again. Big Daddy. To the Mapua. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Only 48 against 43. Sarmento.
Nice.
Too strong top. Alcala. Alcapao. Foul on Sarmento. 13 foul on Mapua.
Sarmiento first.
First personal foul against Sarmento. Time out on Mapua.
Time out na po ha. O, time out.
It's all Big Daddy's game. It's 48 against 43. 1 minute and 10 seconds. And our next game is Litran versus University of the North.
Okay, ready.
Now Cruz. Shot. Tampay na dyan. 10 to shoot. Alcala. Still on Sarmento. 50 seconds. Turnover again, Mapua. 43 seconds. Mendoza. 30 seconds. Black by Daddy. 10 seconds. Nice still on Mapua. Torres. Drive. Wow, now 50 to 43. 17 point lead by Mapua. 15 seconds. Najen. Mendoza. Yes, and Mendoza. 10 seconds. 5. And now for third quarter, our score, it's 50 Mapua, 45 San Sebastian. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Our next game is University of the North versus Litran. Kako, it's traveling violation on Kaku. 9 minutes on our fourth quarter. Alcala. Still on Mapua. It's kickball. 24 set clock at 24. Air ball. Ripon Mendoza. 10 to shoot. 10. Alcala.
Aywa.
Yes on Alcala. It's 47-50. 3-point lead on Mapua. Tap. Now Mendoza to Cruz all the way. Cruz, make Cruz. Yes on Cruz. 49-50. 1-point lead Mapua. Rosman, Garden Mendoza.
Ayaw!
Rosman drive, side step, bang! Basket cutter on Rosman, foul on Lusada. First team foul against San Sebastian.
Kuya, kuya!
Tingnan mo siya.
Atras!
Tingnan mo siya.
Baba isa kuya, dito ka lang kuya, baba kuya. Ayan, dito ka lang, baba na lang. Pahinga ka lang dito.
Now 53-49, it's 4-point lead on Mapua. Now Cruz.
Nathan.
Black. 10 to shoot. Mendoza. Black. Foul. Foul on number 50.
Perez.
On Perez. First on Perez. First team foul Mapua. Now 50 against the 53. 3-point lead back to Mapua. Short. Rebound on Kaku. Kaku now drive. Kaku looking for Perez. Traveling violation. Turnover again on Mapua.
Right, Alcala.
Alcala. Oh! Alcala. 52 to 51. 2, 3. Camus. Yes, on Camus. 55 to 52. It's 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Alcala, guarded by Rosman.
Aywa.
Perez, Cruz, short. Now, Camus, it's 3 on 2. Camus, 3 on 1. Camus now. Camus, fake. Camus, bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Camus. Cruz. Pass to Alcala. Ten to shoot. Black. Substitution left, line up, Sabrap. Time out. On San Sebastian.
Ilang minutes kita naglaro? Kasok mo lang?
Against the 52. 6-point lead on Mapua. Five minutes and 37 seconds. Up and jump. Short. It's Mapua ball. It's 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Last quarter. Camus. Back to Camus. Kaku again. One alley-oop coming from Camus in 60. Against the 52. 5 minutes. 19. Wow. Substitution of Sabrap. Foul on Camus. Second team foul on Mapua.
Camus first.
First on Camus.
Second team foul.
10 to shoot.
Ay!
Oh, it's turnover on San Sebastian. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 60 against the 52. Libres. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Libres. Now 11-point lead on Mapua. Lusada. Too strong. Rebound on Kaku. Kako looking for Camus. Now, Camus, 1-1 by Mendoza. Camus now, guarded by Mendoza. Mendoza. Bugtulak Kako. Kako, it's troubling violation again by Kako. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Now, Alcala drive pass to Mendoza. Mendoza blocked by Kako. Nice defense on Kako. Sarmiento. Steal by Lusada.
8 seconds! 8 seconds!
Now Sarmiento. Kako. Foul. Foul on 0 on Jaime. Second team foul on San Sebastian.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Jaime.
Relax, relax. Nice.
Now 64-62, 12-point lead ng Mapua. Alcala. Block. It's troubling violation of Alcala. 3 minutes. Camus. It's turnover on Mapua. Nice defense on Mendoza.
Sir, bola, sir.
Isa.
Players, ready tayo ha! Ready!
Sa isa?
Hindi.
Bilang, smart na, pre.
Dalawa sa kabila.
Rebound by Libres. Kaku. Freshman to Kaku. Black. Freshman. Short. Top. Camus. Kaku. Black again by Lozano. Now Jaime all alone. Now Mendoza. Mendoza now. Mendoza. Time out. On Mapua now 54 against 264, 10-point lead, Mapua. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Oro Sports, Basketballista, and Rock Bank Abu Dhabi. Only till 10-point lead on Mapua.
Ba't bang likot mo? Nag-tense ka?
Camus.
Masa?
Rasman. Whoa! Turnover on Mapua. Alcala, last 2 minutes. 2 minutes is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Lucky Me. Richard Manok. Still on Cruz to Mendoza. Mendoza, 1-1 by Libres. Mendoza drive, block by Libres. Mendoza again, foul. Foul on Sarmiento.
Sarmiento second.
Second on Sarmiento, third on Mapua. Kaku. Now Camus. Will send a play, guarded by Mendoza. Rasman. 14 to shoot, 14. Black short. All alone again on Mendoza. 1-1 by Libres. Mendoza. Whoa! 1 minute and 13. Alcala. Foul on substitution of substitution. 13 foul on San Sebastian.
Alcala third.
Third on Alcala. Fabiana. Foul. Foul on Mendoza. Warning for penalty on San Sebastian.
Mendoza second.
Second on Mendoza. Still on Mendoza. Foul.
Libre.
Foul on Libres. Warning for penalty on Mapua. Cruz. Too strong. Tap. Kago. 40 seconds.
Ito ikot lang. Ito mo lang. Sa gitna mo talim. Muna po kumilit. Bigay na, bigay. Nice.
Offensive foul on Pabea. 32 seconds.
Bigay na mula. Ikot na mula. Nice lang. Baba na.
Mendoza. Yes on Mendoza. 56 against the 64. It's 8-point lead on Mapua. 20 seconds.
Oh, ikot.
15.
Ikot. Ikot lang.
10 to shoot.
Nice.
Yes on Archangel. 66 to 56. And over game winner Mapua. 66 against 56.